If you love painting with watercolors, but you get confused when choosing what to paint and what colors to paint them with, I have an idea for you. Color-themed collections. Those are related groups of artworks using the same color palette as a theme to unify the way they look and feel. They're fun to look at, fun to create, and they are a powerful way to showcase your work. Now, when students hear the word collections, I think it brings on a bit of anxiety. I get comments like, aren't collections too sophisticated for my skill level? Or don't only serious artists create collections for art galleries? Or I wouldn't even know how to build a good collection. But it's actually easier than you might think, and I'm here to show you how to get started. This class is for watercolor lovers looking to up-level your process and presentation skills from beginner to intermediate watercolor skill level. For me, building color-themed collections is a matter of following a few easy steps. Once you learn these, you can do this over and over again with so many different types of projects. I've used color-themed collections for surface design, graphic design, for my POD shop, for mood board creation, and for so many other things. The options are pretty endless. I've developed a brand color palette over the years that I use over and over again because it really speaks to my own personal style, and then I can use it on my website, social accounts, and anywhere else I am online. Creating color-themed bodies of work has given me a tremendous amount of freedom and saved me so much time and energy in figuring out what to paint next. And now I want to show you how to do the same for your artwork. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's a struggle getting seen in the sea of artists on social media and online. Working in collections has been responsible for getting me brand deals, collaborations, but I'm not the only one. It's happened for many other artists out there, and it can work that way for you too. In fact, this is also for you if you just want a more efficient and fun way of doing your own personal projects. I've created a workbook as a companion to the class to help guide you through the steps I'll be teaching you today. As a bonus, I'll be sharing a simple, proven, easy color palette formula that works for me every time. So, are you ready to learn how to supersize your efforts with a small and easy color-themed watercolor painting collection? I cannot wait to dive into this with you.